Kigomano-ini kiria kihariri gicigo-ini kia mbunge gia Kiambaa gatagati ka urugamiriri wa Nyumba Kumi na athani a matura ugitiri ni ugwetetwo gukorwo na itemi inene hari gutigirira uthii wa na mbere ni wagacirithio. Kuringana na muikariri wa mutaratara wa Nyumba Kumi bururi-ini Joseph Kaguthi, matura maingi ni mahimbirie undu uyu no hari bata maria mangi gwika uguo makiria kaunti-ini ya Nairobi.
If here in Kiambaa we have 526 clusters, Nyumba Kumi clusters, 536. Nairobi has 3,838 with nearly 1 million households. If therefore you take each cluster in Nairobi, we'll have about 40 households. It means we ought to have more than 40,000 clusters in Nairobi.
Ningi Kaguthi ni ameneririe uhuthiri moru wa nenda cia kiriu akiuga no cungiririe nditimurano gatagati ka andu a nduka itiganite.
There is so much cyber hate in the country that those in the cluster, when they are meeting, if there's a cluster of they have called a meeting of theirs 40 households, the minute somebody has been reading very nasty comments against other individual, other communities, then you find that that particular person, the conscience is tested.
Onaguo urugamiriri wa matura ni uritie muingi gukorwo ikinya-ini ria mbere hari gutigirira thayo ni watugirio.
Mambo ya dispatch kwa mama mmoja aliuliza sasa.
Hadini ya Kameme TV, ritwa rekwa ni Mbataru wa Mwangi.